I'm just walking on my way to hole number 2, start of the competition. Is my caddy. คุณชื่ออะไรครับ
นิพนธ์ครับ
ผม
นิพนธ์
Nippon ผมชื่อ Richard
ริชาร์ด
Con Angry.
โอเค
Yeah, I only speak a little bit of Thai, just about get by with the caddy. Looking forward to today, but it looks very much like rain. Just come through some absolutely terrible storms in Bangkok to get here. Really bad. Thought it's going to get cancelled, but no, it's still on. We see you, and we're about to tee off in about 5-10 minutes, so wish me luck. This is Koonuk birdie attempt on the long par 5. Oh, he's not hit it. Look at this, it's beautiful. Wish the golf was beautiful. Just look at this, gorgeous. It's my caddy down there, little chap. Very nice. Very nice guy. Been terrible heavy rain, playing really badly. Never mind. Just driving home now after the tournament. Didn't win any prizes for my golf, but I did win prizes in the raffle, which is great. I won a nice belt from Phoenix and wait for it, a Cleveland 52-degree lob wedge. Can't be bad. I'm happy.